Words for the day. Who says God never sin? Parents are the pair of God who never and now nowhere go when even after the death. Serve your parent or to torch your destiny. Otherwise, be ready to face a dark destiny. Vocabulary vitamins. Desolated, felt lonely. Casket, old box. Speculated, assumed. Mysterious, full with suspense. Crafty, one who makes wonderful things by hand or craft. Sturdy, rusty, jammed. Yield, output of a work or result. Trembled, shivered due to fear or excitement. Shivering due to fear or excitement. Persuade, to pursue, to make an attempt to force someone to do something. Probably, to assume something with chances. Discussion in question answers, do it yourself. Activity 1. Do you think letter would have had Do you think letter would have had any positive effect on her sons? Would you have had a change of heart? Write few lines. We Indians have had a traditional culture of respect for our elders. But nowadays, old age homes are becoming increasingly common. What do you think? What are the reasons for this? Write few lines. We all have grandparents. Did you ever try to know how they spend their time? Go and ask. What is their favorite time pass? Write few lines on their activities. Ask your parents what they expect from their children and you fulfill their how will you fulfill their expectation or how you fulfill their expectation. Write few lines. Activity 2. How much you know about your grandpa. Write few qualities of him along with pasting his picture. What kind of lady is your grandmother? Mention few qualities of her alongside pasting her picture in the specified box. What do you know about your mother? Write few guideline qualities which are which you like the most. Everybody loves his papa. Mention some qualities of your papa. Do at home. Do at home. Visit some of your relatives during any vacations and stay there for few days. Note their behavior towards elders. Compare with yourself and write some differences between them and you. Your qualities, right side their qualities. Now you need to learn from them or they need to learn from you. Now make a 10-point list of to change yourself. Add some qualities which you don't have but now want to have. Write down your qualities, 10 points list. How will you change? Specify a reason. GK supplement. The sons of Kuchin were waiting for another heap of money, but there was no stone in the box. There were no stone in the box. You know very well in India as we pay for a thing, but that we buy in rupees. Rupee is the currency of our currency. Similarly, other nations have their own currencies. Have a look on them. Argentina, peso. China, yuan. Denmark, krone. Germany, euro. Ireland, euro. Iraq, dinar. Greece, drachme. Italy, lira or euro. Japan, yen. Morocco, shilling. Kenya, shilling. Morocco, dirham. Portugal, escudo. Saudi Arabia, रियाल. बांग्लादेश, टका. ऑस्ट्रेलिया, डॉलर. फ्रांस, फ्रैंक या यूरो. यूएसए, डॉलर. यूके, पाउंड. म्यांमार, कयात. हॉलैंड, यूरो.